What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to change the oil on my 2017 L3301 tractor. It's got 119 hours on it, but I just bought it used, and I noticed that is the OEM. That's the oil filter that comes on it from the factory. Now maybe they did the break-in oil change and didn't change the filter, but I want to be sure. So the first thing I did is I raised the temperature just where the oil would flow a little faster. It's dropping a little bit on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it before it gets cold. So the first thing is you got two oil drains on this. So one on this side and one on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out first and see how it's draining. Pretty long. Oh, that's fantastic. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the plug out of the second side. And I already broke this loose a little earlier, so I don't know how much more oil this side carries, but it's pushing out pretty hard. Okay. All right, now we're gonna do the oil filter real quick. I'm gonna try to put this underneath here just to catch it right out of here. And I pre-loosened this too a little bit. This is not going to be good.
Oh no, it's on
concrete.
It's already on the clean concrete.
Yeah, that didn't work. That didn't work at all. Luckily, I have some good degreasers inside. Alright, so I'm going to use this instead of the Kubota 1540 oil because this is fully synthetic and Kubota's not. And I use fully synthetic oil in all my stuff, or full synthetic oil. So anyhow, this is pretty much same old, same old. Now this didn't work very well, but oh well. So get your new filter on. I'll tighten up a little extra later and tighten back down your oil drain caps. I've already cleaned them, made sure the washer looks good. And I shouldn't have to tighten too much, just tighten it to get it good and snug. And start replacing the oil, which your oil cap's gonna be right here. Now it's time to replace the engine oil. I should have got a bigger tunnel. This is not going to be fun. It's a 7.1 quarts from empty. Usually you're not completely empty. You usually have a little bit in there, so maybe 7 quarts will do you. Alright, once you get your oil at 7.1 quarts, go ahead and put your cap back on. Crank her over. Let it run for about 30 seconds. Check your oil level. Alright. Come over to the left side of your tractor. Your oil stick is right here. Let's see what we got. You push it all the way down in there. And then let's see. Alright. So, just a little bit under the mark. It's probably, or at the top full mark. And it's probably because I spilled a little bit. Oh, are you serious? So, a little bit more and I'll be ready to go. Alright. And that's a how to change and how not to change Kabota L3301 oil. I made more of a mess than I've ever made. This is not gonna be good.
Oh no.
Oh, are you serious? Changing oil? And anyhow, I'm gonna soak it a little bit more degreaser and hopefully dissolve all that oil. All right, and get the best degreaser you have. Mine, so it looks like antifreeze, but it's not. This is degreaser 150 from Willis Cleaning Products. Some of the best degreaser in the world right here. And clean up your mess that you made.